Hey there, business leaders and future federal contractors. Are you ready to finally position yourself as a top government contractor and stop missing out on 6 to 7-figure opportunities? Because here's the truth. Most small businesses don't fail because they can't deliver the work. They fail because they never learned how to position themselves properly in the federal space. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to strategically position your business to win in the world of government contracting. Grab a notebook, let's get into it. Step 1, get sam.gov ready the right way. Before anything else, your registration on sam.gov has to be flawless. That means your UEI is verified. Your business name matches IRS records. Your banking and point of contact info are 100% correct. One typo, one missed field, and you're out of the game before it even starts. Double check everything. You can't position yourself as a top contractor with an incomplete profile. Step 2, choose the right NAICS codes. You need to speak the language of the government. That's what NAICS codes are. Pick codes that actually match the work you want to do, but also check which codes are getting the most contract awards in your industry. You can find this using FPDS or usaspending.gov. Pro tip, don't just choose one code, diversify. That gives you more opportunities to appear in agency searches. Step 3, create a capability statement that sells. Think of your capability statement like your business resume, but tailored to what agencies care about. Include core competencies, past performance, even commercial projects, differentiators, company data, UEI, NAICS, cage code, and key contact info. Make it one page, make it branded, and make it easy to scan in 10 seconds. This is your first impression. Make it count. Step 4, know your buyer. Who buys what you sell? Don't just register and wait. Research your target agencies. Go to sam.gov, FPDS, or agency forecast portals to find out. Which offices are spending money in your category? Which primes are winning big? And what contracts are coming up next quarter? This info tells you exactly who to build relationships with, so you're not pitching blind. Step 5. Build your past performance even before you win. Federal contracts, yes, agencies love seeing federal experience. But if you're new to this game, start with subcontracting or partnering with established primes. Also, document your private sector wins. Testimonials, project values, and quantifiable results help you look like a solid, low-risk choice, even if it's your first federal contract. Step 6, network like a Fedpreneur. This is a relationship game. Go to matchmaking events, SBA networking sessions, and industry days. Don't show up empty-handed. Bring your capability statement and know who you're targeting. And remember, contracting officers don't just award contracts. They award confidence in your ability to deliver. Step 7, follow up plus stay visible. Once you've met someone, don't disappear. Follow up with an email, connect on LinkedIn, check in every quarter with updates. Show progress, show new wins, and stay top of mind. Consistency builds trust, and trust gets you in the room. Here's the bottom line. Becoming a top government contractor isn't about luck. It's about strategy, preparation, and showing up like the prime you want to be. Every step you take to position yourself, properly registered, well-branded, clear on your value, and proactive with your network, gets you one step closer to the yes you've been working for. Want help mastering this whole process? I break it all down in my book, The $1 Trillion Client. From sam.gov to full-scale federal growth, it's your blueprint to landing high-paying contracts with confidence. Make sure to like this video, drop a comment if you're just getting started, and subscribe for weekly government contracting insights. Let's turn your small business into a federal powerhouse See you in the next one.